Welcome back. In this video, we're getting under the hood of Knowbler and exploring how it empowers you to build your own agentic AI workflows. At the heart of Knowbler lies its powerful 6-stage agentic architecture: sensing, reasoning, planning, coordination, acting, and learning. Let's briefly walk through each stage and see how it enables agent autonomy and adaptability. Sensing. The sense components gather information from diverse sources, such as user inputs, knowledge bases, business system, and real-time data streams. Reasoning, powered by SearchUnify FRAG and advanced LLMs. The reason component processes this data, understanding intent, content, and driving actionable insights. Planning. Agents use the plan component to break down goals, choose actions, and create contingency plans. Coordination. In multi-agent setups, the coordinate stage ensures smooth collaboration, task allocation, and synergy across agents. Acting. Agents execute their plan through Act component by interacting with users, updating systems, and generating outputs. Learning. Lastly, the system continuously learns and adapts through a feedback loop, refining strategies and improving over time. From NLUs and knowledge graphs to automated workflows and a continuous feedback loop, Knowbler provides all the tools you need to build and deploy highly effective AI agents. In this final video, we'll explore some exciting use cases and see how Knowbler is transforming businesses just like yours.